Alright YouTube, after making it home to South Texas for the weekend, fixing the wash machine, having some awesome fish tacos with friends, back down here in Miami again, headed for parts unknown, and basically recorded a postcard. And oh, by the way, a couple of things that Jessica will really want to see. Pretty excited to put this video out. You're going to want to watch to the end of the video. I'm putting cinematic music over most of the video. At the end, I'm going to put a little bit of the original aircraft cabin audio. And believe me, you do not want to miss this video. Let's roll.
Empty Nester's Life. Join Jessica and Brent on the Read for Effect YouTube channel. Adventures, topics, and fun.